Greetings, everybody. We're watching more One Piece today. We get episodes 507 and 508, so let's get right into it. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video, and the engagement is very much appreciated. It's very helpful, so if you take a few seconds to do that, I would appreciate it. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's watch more One Piece. He stopped screaming. Now we can get some sleep. Yeah, didn't help that he was fighting Jinbei. What? What? Hello? Oh. Little fish. What the hell's that? Someone was in the water. I didn't get a good look at it though. What the silhouette? I mean, wasn't Jinbei, I don't think. Oh! Is that Rayleigh? I see white hair. It definitely is Rayleigh. Holy shit, what are you doing here? Holy fuck, Rayleigh just kicked the shit out of that Sea King. Damn, Rayleigh looking fit. I mean, obviously he came here to find Luffy. My ship sank at the store, so I had to swim? How long? I was gonna say, I don't think there's been any sign of a storm around here. I have a good breaststroke, nice. How far did she swim? What's the matter, Beppo? Luffy 君がこの島にいると推測したのだが。He's not a toy. 一度国に迎えるんだって。何早くまた会えるなんて。伸びるんだろうな。Apparently they think all men could stretch. I forgot about that. He did not like your clothes. Without the frills. Okay, never mind. You paid attention. We're separated, although we're newlyweds. You never got married. Oh my god. Hancock. Oh my god. She was talking with their fingers. Yeah, you're not married. You need a whole thing for that. It's amazing what she is like because of him. I guess they left. Oh my god, you remembered his name. He just didn't say old man. It's got Luffy's hat. That's good. Is that really you? Everyone gets so starstruck with him. Yeah, don't lose that. They put a smile on his face. How are we supposed to get back? Is Rayleigh gonna make him rest? Make sure he rests. What a mess with that guy. You're not worthy. They're allowing bears in. I can't wait to see him again. Oh, you know each other. Oh, they all know him. Wait, the man that saved your life. Interesting. Oh my god. Oh. I was gonna say, she can't even look at him. Ah. You, serve him now! Dude, she's killing me right now. Wow, what a buffet. I thought that wasn't for you. Meat! She still is. Look at her. She's fucking pacing and shit. Luffy's like paying her no mind either. Hancock, I was just gonna say. The line delivery! Wow, there's this whole history here. Ah, you're living in Shibari. 13, so at least 13 years ago. Oh. Okay. I was wondering, that's probably, I was wondering when they escaped, if that's when they were helped. Oh, now you're just noticing he's here? Ah, okay. Okay, I was wondering about this. The fact that we saw him with Dragon in the flashback. I was wondering if he left the Revolutionary Army or not. I don't have much time left. He already knew. Hell yeah. I love that we got that confirmation. I was wondering about that. So he's been like kind of like a spy. More of the best. That's a really cool little detail about Kuma. She's just watching him. So Kuma has never left the Revolutionary Army then. Wow, she figured that one out. He's a good-looking guy. Yeah, listen to her. The hearts. Let's get down to business. So Kuma sent them away to protect them, get them away from Kizaru. Oh, yeah. Why? Why? Are you gonna suggest something different? Yeah, cool. Like I said, seeing Kuma there during the flashback arc, I was definitely thinking, I'm like, is he still involved? Like, I wasn't sure. Maybe we shouldn't go to Shibari. Can we do something? Can we meet somewhere else? So I'm gonna get it to everyone else. This place is still too hot. Kuma had to act quick because he knew what was about to happen. So it even makes even more sense about Yvonne's reaction to seeing how Kuma was being. Their first real, actual defeat. But in a way, they were saved. Rayleigh bringing in some logic into here. Like, maybe we shouldn't go back there. I don't know. So what is he gonna propose? Interesting. Huh. No, I don't know what his suggestion is! Why am I starting to feel like it's gonna be quite some time before they actually all get back together on the Thousand Sunny? Why am I getting a sense of that? Like, I'm not just talking about, like, days or weeks. Like, is it gonna be, like, months? Like, I'm starting to get that feeling right now. Oh boy. Oops. Usopp, this build doesn't work for you. Yeah, they ain't get eaten. This place is terrifying. It's delicious, but terrifying. Hercules. Where did you go? Oh! What the fuck was that? Sea creature. Dude, I love this guy. Oh my god. Popular islands. It's got hard ice for the food. It's easy to enter, hard to leave. Noise. Great performance. Okay, like, you find the edge of the island, like, where do you got your, where do you go? You don't have a ship. Ah, shit. And here we go again. Closing up. Island hungry. I love the fact that the island is a predator. Ugh, so creepy. Oh. Got the Sea King. Dude, it's cool. You can see like all the trees and everything. Stomach barren. Oh, what a save. That's what's the matter. Oh, that was cool with all his bombs going off. That's such a nice touch. Oh, opening back up. Oh my god, what a scene. Oh, they just want to be there for their friend. Oh, when your friend is having a hard time, you should be there for him. Oh, stop. Oh. Dude, I'm loving this little batch of episodes right now. Alright, let's go to 508. I think this is the time to really, like, listen to people. But what he's suggesting looks like it's having... that this is a big deal, what he's suggesting. Because even, like, Hancock was worried. I feel like we should listen to him, right? You know, more if he's telling him, like, go in hiding or something for now, because he's, like, very wanted man right now. Where they're not totally 100% sure if he's alive or not. You know, Garp said probably. Mihawk said probably. Like, there's a lot of probablys. I didn't hear the first one! Just teasing me. You guys good? This place is so beautiful. Oh, you couldn't, like, float on a cloud or something? Oh, she tried to leave. I mean, that's expected. Damn, she instantly got her backpack and she's like, I'm gone. Damn, look at her go. On a mission. Please don't get in my way. She said please. Yep, and... Damn. Too heavy? Oh. It was going well. Her bum. Gotta get this thing under control. Oh no. Well, she tried. And it was a good try. I feel like in her haste, she didn't take the necessary precautions, it looks like. Oh, Nami. Sure that didn't feel nice. Oh, she's in jail. She's very moody. Great shirt. Oh, they look pissed. Ah, so judgmental. Pretty sure she could kick all your asses. She's like, I just want to leave. Like, I'll be out of your hair. Hey. Okay, we know. It's too much. So he's about to perform magic tricks. Oh my god. Oh my god, she knocked his tooth out. She punched him through the bubble. Damn. She's been nothing but... He's been really nice to her, though. I feel bad that she punched him. He didn't deserve that. Ah! Wow. Took some reading material and everything. Back to her roots. What's wrong with stealing? I love that, the hair. What's wrong with stealing? Y'all good? Yeah, I don't think she's ever tried to fly one herself, right? Newspaper. Yeah?
その新聞に載ってるルフィってのがっての戦争で戦場を引っかき回したという話題の麦わらのルーキー
He's a hot rookie on the scene.
少年が娘さんの船長さんだったと
There's Usopp in that picture. Doesn't get old.
一人で辛い戦いを続けてた
Yeah, like I said, so many that they all had no idea what Luffy's been up to, and I can understand why they would feel the way they do. Like, they went through all of this without them. And they probably feel like they let him down. And they still can't be there for him, especially after his brother died. Like, shit, dude, they didn't even know about Ace being Roger's kid, you know what I mean? They probably didn't even... They don't know that, probably. Oh, I want to see him and support him. Oh. Like I said earlier, I got such a soft spot for all of them. I feel so bad that they feel this way. Let her out. We abducted a young girl and made her cry. Oh no. No, Nami! They were helping! My god, Nami. I'm so fast. Oh my god. Sorry, that's so funny. Arigato! Oh my god. She's like, you need to fly me down. Make it possible. Oh. They want to be there for their captain. No, those are real. Oh my god, this poor guy. How many times has he been hit? One day we're gonna meet that fella. Really curious to see what he's like. Yeah, Keaton.
それがおじさんまた突然
Oh
人が
no.
乗っちゃって
What is he like now?
鬼みたいに
Oh, he's angry.
船は
Never mind, he's just angry.
ほら来た
He's angry and he needs to get back to Luffy.
ジュースとかキムチソーダとか
Habanero juice and kimchi soda? Are those real? Oh, their poor house.
一刻も早く仲間のもとへ行かなくちゃならねえんだ。
Damn, look at his face.
これは無理な相談だ。
はあ。
この島には
I was gonna say, are there ships here?
物資を運んでくる定期船と不定期にやってくる軍艦以外
No, no one comes here.
1週間ほど前
Ah!
くそ。あと3週間もあるじゃねえか。
と追われたこの
I mean, you
国
got Vegapunk's house or whatever. We can make something in there, right?
ここに
He's quite an engineer.
特別にしつらえた砕氷船が必要なんだよ。
なんてこって。
Maybe make himself into a boat.
時間がかかりすぎる。
Franky boat.
ちょっと落ち着いて
Oh. Okay. Oh, they're giving him tea to calm him down. There he is. He's back.
Good smell. Flavor.
Flavor. Rolling the R's. Oh, didn't work.
やってる場合が。
For a moment.
どうしても。
Oh my god, all these people that are around them. Oh god, the fucking underpants thing.
あいつの一大事に。
All these people are just trying to be helpful. they're just at all the Straw Hats' fury.
おうそういえば
Oh no, yeah? What
ベ
now?
ガパンクの研究所に彼が開
Ah,
発した
see?
砕氷
At
船
his
が
lab. So there had to be something there.
危ないから今度は知らないよ
の
またあそこか。
またまさか
He's like, again?
有利なら任せろ。俺は船大工だ。
Sure are.
そういうことじゃなくて
Then what are you concerned about?
行ってみるか。
Because he seemed like he regretted it instantly the second he told him. Oh boy. Well, that's not good. Oh.
ドクターベガパンクの研究
Oh no! It's being monitored by the Navy. That makes sense.
決して発砲するな。そこにあるものは世界の財産だと思え。わかったな。
Oh shit.
陸軍もいたとは。さっきの侵入
So
で。
this place is still monitored. Got the snake.
いや、ダメだ。
者たちのリーダーとして活躍するベガパンクは我が国の
We are proud.
その頭脳は今や人類の財産だ。パンクが少年時代を過ごした思い出
Damn,
の
he's like probably like a little like a boy genius.
をしているだろ。
言われてみれば、ありゃなんだい一体。
Oh, I want to see.
彼が子供の頃極寒にこ
Oh, this. Okay.
人々を思って作ったもの。森の動物たちを労働力に改造し、
Convert animals into the forest into a workforce and
せ
wow, never completed
島
it.
ごと温める土暖房
Oh, he was trying to warm up the island.
の悩みはいつもそうだが、頭の中の完成図に現実がついてこれない。
He couldn't figure it out, huh?
自宅にしてやれないと泣く彼を見て、我々の心
Oh,
は
he was trying to give them a warm home. Oh, so you know Frankie,
投げるそれ。
そう
you know Frankie's a softie.
我々あの自爆スイッチ付きの研究所には入らんでくれ。
Self-destruct button.
いらねえスイッチの名を言わなかったか。俺がこの島を出るための砕氷船は
He needs to get off.
あの研究所にしかねえんだろ。
Nothing you can say to him is gonna stop him.
俺には俺の世話になった。
待て
I don't.
自爆スイッチだけは
That
スカーを。
that button is totally getting
なんでつ
pressed.
けたんだそんなもん。
Why did he put one in the first place? Maybe as a final measure in case you need to destroy the place to hide its secrets. I guess I don't know.
ケース1枚でも金に換えられないほどの価値があるというのに
Got lots of ideas in here.
敵なさい。天才ベガパンクの家の中
If you break something,
警報にかかるぞ。
oh my god, they're gonna arrest your ass. What's all this? Oh, there's the prototype for his mountain there.
スーパー見事だ。
Wow, how old was he when he was doing all this?
発 実現不可能な設計図がゴロゴ
A lot of advanced ideas
確
that,
かに
you know, can't be done.
指一本触れたくねえ
Oh.
お
Oh.
海賊マー
Self-destruct.
ク
No! Hell yeah, he just fucking pressed it. Never mind. Holy shit. Franky! Why'd you just press it?
スイッチを俺が押しちまったとして
おじさん
それ俺のせいかい当然だ
Of course it is. Why wouldn't it be?
これが世に言う
I can't believe he just went and pressed that damn thing.
ルジモアの悪夢である
Baltimore's nightmare. So this was like a major event that just happened there, what he just did. Oh my god, what are the repercussions of that? I can't believe he fucking pressed that button. Maybe they should have made it red. I don't know. I don't fucking know. Oh, Franky. Oh. That's interesting, because that seems like that's like an event that's a major event that just happened there. Just whatever, destroying the laboratory. That's a big deal. Oh my god. Franky, no. Yeah, I'm really liking all this catch up. I like how all the Straw Hats are like, we need to get back to our captain. Our captain needs us. We need to be there for him. You know, because they had no idea about any of this happening. And I'm sure they all feel like shit that they couldn't be there by his side, and especially be there for him after Ace died. So they're all feeling fucking terrible right now, and they're super motivated now, even more motivated now to get back to get it all, you know, reuniting, get back with Luffy and everything. So I love how that's all playing out. Also, the stuff with Rayleigh is really interesting. We're not really getting much of an idea what he's been suggesting and saying. They're keeping us kind of in the dark there. I'm wondering if he's suggesting that Luffy maybe don't rush back to Shabati, because it's like you're really wanted right now. Like, you're wanted before, but now, yeah. I mean, you know, that bounty's going up, and he's like, they're definitely looking for him. So I feel like going to Shabati is a kind of a mistake, right? The fact that there's a chance he could be confronted again by, you know, by an admiral, or, you know what I mean? So I mean, I'm curious what he's suggesting. Like I brought up earlier, like just the way things are working out with how far some of them are, with most of them not really having any really mode of transportation and whatnot, I'm getting a sense that we're not getting back to Shabati in a few days. I feel like it's going to be longer than that. That's what I feel like they're setting up here. I'm getting that feeling here. So I'm really curious where they're going with this. And then I loved also learning about Kuma. Now, we got that glimpse of Kuma with Dragon. And of course, you know, me thinking, I'm like, well, that's interesting because he was in the Revolutionary. And I'm initially reading that as, oh, well, he's not a part of the Revolutionary Army anymore then if he became a warlord and everything. But I did have in the back of my head thinking, I'm like, well, what if he still is with the Revolutionary Army? He's kind of just like a bit of a spy, you know what I mean? Just someone working from the inside here, getting closer with them, maybe since being a warlord, he could learn about things and whatnot. So that's really interesting, but it looks like he's like, well, they're going to turn me into this now. So that's kind of ending. So again, it highlights more about Yvonne's reaction to seeing Kuma, of course, even more so, because it's like, oh shit, this was like my friend, and you know, and my, you know, but you know, my partner in crime, one of my partners in crime here, you know, being, you know, working with Dragon and everything, and we just kind of lost him. I'm just learning this. It's a shocker for Yvonne. Yeah, I cannot wait to see what the Rayleigh stuff is, like what exactly is going on there and what they're talking about there. They're being very sneaky, very secretive about that. So I imagine it's going to be something somewhat of a big deal of what he's suggesting. So that's going to be super curious. So yeah, very excited. So yeah, stay tuned for 509 and 510 coming up very soon. So keep an eye out on the channel for that. So definitely subscribe if you haven't yet for that. If you want to see more One Piece reactions and see where we're going here and seeing my thoughts and everything like that. Don't forget to like and comment as well. And if you want the early access to future One Piece reactions, you get 25 to 30 episodes ahead of time over on my Patreon. You can find a link for that in the description below in the pinned comment. Like I said, full length, full watch longs, no edits, no cuts, ad free. Like I said, by the time you're watching this reaction on YouTube, it's what 508, right? You would will be probably in the 530 range. Maybe you're almost about 440 if you're watching this like the day of or like the week that I uploaded it. So like I said, we're very much ahead, and that's on purpose, obviously, because it helps with potential spoilers. That's the biggest reason why. But also, it's a big draw to the Patreon. A lot of people like the early access for sure, folks. Appreciate you tuning in. Thanks for watching. This has been incredible. I'm just having just an absolute wonderful time watching One Piece. So just seeing, just catching up with all our Straw Hats again, and how just, watching them just be so motivated to get reunited because they're, they want to be there for each other, and they're much stronger when they're together, clearly. And really, just excited when that finally happens and they're, journeying to the new world. I'm really excited for that. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. See you later. Have a good one. Bye.